Hey there mga my love Pisces! Thank you so much for always staying here with me in this channel. So ayan, bago natin simulan ang reading nito for you guys, reminders na hindi ito for everybody. So just pick up the messages you think ay para sa'yo. At kung feel mo na ang reading nito ay for you, then this reading might be really for you. And syempre, wala tayong gender dito of course, no? Just take only what resonates with you. Yan, at timeless din ito. Kung may mention man na zodiac sign dito, let's not get fixed with the sign. Just feel the vibe and the connection. If you feel na ang reading ito ay para sa'yo, then this reading might be really for you. So, let's jump right here. No? Alamin natin yung mga energies dito for you guys. So, spirits and angel guides, Archangel Michael, thank you so much. This is for Pisces. What do we have here? Messages for Pisces, please. Messages for Pisces. What do we have here for my Piscean people here? Can you please show me messages for Pisces? This is for Pisces. Just gathering up the right energies. Okay. Shuffling is one of our ways para connect sa right energies. Okay. So, yung mga babes, naman tayong new channel. So, kung kayo ay dealing with Taurus or with Taurian people, you might want to check that out. The link is in the description box. The titles, the name of the channel is All About Taurus. So, yan. Kung hindi naman kayo dealing with Taurus, pero meron kayong Taurus in your natal chart, you might also want to check that out. So, yeah. Thank you so much. Okay, let's go. So, Pisces, we've got right here, yeah, Two of Cups energy. Pero ilatag na muna natin lahat. Pero, maganda to, no? Kasi first energy pa lang is strong na. Okay. Latag na muna natin lahat. Oh, you've got the Ace to the Two of Cups energy. Wow. Oh. Huwag kayong maghuramentado. Dahil nakita ninyo yung devil, no? So, hindi yan negative sa nakukuha ko here. Oh, you've got the 10 of coins energy and the hangman is right here. Tower. Wow, you've got major arcana sunod-sunod. There's rebirth right here. This is something unexpected, but this is what you envision. That is something positive in the near future for you guys. So, kung ano man mangyari, ito lang naman yung makukuha nyo. Wow, 10 of coins energy for you. Pisces, hindi ko alam kung ano nangyayari right here, no? Pero nakukuha ko rito na maganda ito for you guys. Okay, so let me fix the camera first. Okay, yan. Okay na mga babes, no? Lumiwanag na. Ang dilim kasi, no, nag-dim yung light ng camera ko. So, whatever the case may be, I'm seeing that this is all about right here, you diving into this beautiful connection. This is new love. Meron kayong makikilala online or pwede naman mga babes, no, na sa iba pwedeng dating apps yan but doesn't have to be applicable to all. Ito kasing 7 of Cups nakikita ko rito, no, na parehas na palitan rito, no, ng magandang messages, conversations, tuloy-tuloy, back and forth, no, so walang putol yan. So kung sino man to meron kayong mamimit, pwedeng online, pwede rin naman, no, na yan ay something to do with may distance right here, so pwedeng worlds apart kayo, pwedeng magkaiba kayo ng country, magkaiba ng lugar, may distansya dito, no? Pero pinaglalapit ng social media applications, pwede naman na Viber, email, pwede rin namang phone call, text message right here, video call, yan, no? Alam mo yung energy na parang LDR, Okay, dun kayo magsisimula. Like literally, this is a stranger here, Pisces. So you will probably meet someone special right here that will be significant to you. And you're gonna have this kind of more likely conversation online. Yeah, no, messenger. Okay? Any social media applications will do. And picking up that this is something here na may mamumuo ritong, may madedevelop ditong feelings and emotion. Both of you guys, I'm seeing from both sides, magiging interesado sa buhay ng isa't isa. At sa nakikita ko dito, you will feel this kind of, alam mo, ang dami mo rito, no, na major arcana. So, you've got 5. Yeah, major arcanas from here. 6. Because you've got 4 in here, 5, 6. So, yeah, you've got 6 major arcanas right here. So, it looks like this is a divinely guided connection. Yeah, you're really moving towards here to someone new. And this person is process kayo. Like literally, makikilala mo siya una, magkakaroon ng pagkakakilanlan dito, getting to know each other, magkakaroon dito, may mapo-form dito na crush until I like you, hanggang sa may mapo-form na rito, no, na nakaka-addict na connection. Like, you're gonna dive with this devil right here into this type of parang feeling mo, no, to the point na parang this person gives you too much happiness. This person makes you feel alive inside. This person is actually someone here who benefits, no, sa iyong araw rito, no? This person energizes you. This person brightens up your day. This person right here is someone na parang bumubuo ng araw-araw mo. So, nakikita ko dito na okay ka naman bago siya dumating sa life mo, pero pag dumating na siya, mas magiging okay ka pa. So, this is the person that you're gonna build this 10 of coins here with. This person here is willing to do whatever it takes para sa connection na to with you, Pisces. At kung sino siya, nakikita kong handa siya ritong tumanda, no, kasama ka. Handa siya ritong i-provide lahat ng mga pangangailangan, no, at mga kagustuhan mo. Etong tao na to, hindi ko alam kung bakit ako nakakita ng establishment, pero nakukuha ko rito na maaaring nasa-sense ko na kanya yon. That property is being owned by this person. So you could be dealing with someone who is already wealthy, has that big amount of money in the bank, and whoever this individual is, successful. Yan, nakuha ko sa kanya. And you're moving into this type of romantic relationship with this person. You're gonna see forever with this person. You're gonna see your future with this person. And this is an unexpected connection right here. Yung iba, pwedeng pagtapos dito mga babes, no, ng, ng pag-end nyo ng relationship. Yan, no. Not literally na pagtapos ninyo dun sa inyong ex, no. Like, kaka-break nyo, parang pasok na to, na hindi ganon. It's like, kayo to, no, na maghihilom muna from your previous relationship, saka kayo magda-dive into this connection right here with the new person. Yan, no, hiningal. Tuloy-tuloy kasi yung pagkasalita ko mga babes. So, yun nga, no, you're moving slowly. Alam mo, ito yung klase ng connection, no, na parang nakakahibang, parang you will be crazily in love with this person. Like, you just can't get enough, no? Kagaya nung tugtog dun sa commercial ng hotdog, no? Nung 2000s ba yun, no? Parang, I just can't get enough. I just can't get enough yan, no? Hindi ko alam kung tender juicy hotdog ba yun. Pero you will just can't get enough. This person is so addicted. This person is so addicting. This connection is so addicting. Yan, no? Hindi siya addict, okay? Itong connection nakaka-addict, yun yung nakukuha ko rito. Kaya may mabubuo rito, may mapu-form dito na from strangers to getting to know, to getting to know, to friendship, okay, to diving into a more deeper connection, to love and romantic relationship. So, yan, nakakakain ko lang din kasi kaya dumighay naman ako this time. Sorry naman mga babes, no? Yan, hindi tayo pwede mag-reading na wala tayong energy, syempre. So, yan, kaya kumain muna ako. So, yan mga babes, no? I'm seeing you strongly Hindi ko alam kung kayo ba ay may trabaho sa magkaiba or nakatira kayo sa magkaibang lugar. Nakikita ko kayo nagko-communicate dito online talaga. Mm. At kahit LDR pa ito, nakikita ko magtatagumpay kayo kasi nandito yung Ten of Coins eh. You will both envision yourselves into each other's future. Yan, parehas ninyo rito, no, na makikita yung sarili ninyo, no, sa piling ng isa't isa, tatanda sa piling ng isa't isa, at magsasama dito. Yan. So, nakikita ko dito that this is something unexpected to you. Like, hindi mo inaasahan yung pagdating niya sa buhay mo, no. Like, literally, pwedeng nakita mo lang siya, no, isang beses, hindi mo na inakala, no, na makikita mo siya ulit. Parang ganon. Eh, nakakuha tayo ng ganon, no? Yung parang, akala mo, kunwari ganito, umattend ka ng seminar, yung mga makikilala ka doon, mga bagong kakilala or bagong business partners na yung ganyan. Akala mo, dun mo lang siya makikita, hindi mo na siya makikita ulit. Like literally, suntok sa buwan na yung next mo na pagkikita sa kanya. Hindi. Magkikita pa kayo ulit. Yan, no? So, yun yung nakikita ko rito. Okay? The universe. You have major arcana sunod-sunod here. So, ibig sabihin, no, hindi lang yun yung unang beses na magtatagpo kayo, kundi marami pang mga susunod-sunod-sunod rito na pangyayari upang kayo'y paglapitin pa more ng tadhana. At may mga oportunidad na magpapakita rito no, kung saan makikita mo rin siya. So, ibig sabihin, kalakip ng kanyang pagsulpot sa buhay mo no, ay ang pagpasok rin ng iba't ibang oportunidad sa iyo Pisces. Yan. No, nakakuha talaga tayo dito ng distansya. Meron ditong pagitan kung saan pwedeng may karagatan or isang malaking body of water. So, maaari talaga na meron dito no, na magkaiba kayo ng lugar, magkaiba ng bansa, or baka magkaiba ng kultura at pwedeng magkakaiba ng paniniwala. Pero gayon pa man, hindi ito nagiging hadlang. Basta nakikita ko na malakas at intense ang koneksyon na mangyayari at mamamagitan sa inyong dalawa that you will, okay, feel so addicting with each other, no? This connection is so addicting. Yun yung nakukuha ko dito. So, wow, you will dive in this new beginning with a new partner right here, with a new love interest popping out in your life. So, yeah, go ahead and claim this new person right here, Pisces, and this opportunity surrounding this person and this person is bringing into your life. Go and catch them all. So, yeah, deserve mo to, Pisces, kasi alam ko naman, no, na isa rin kayo rito mga babes, no, sa tatahi-tahimik lang. Pero, syempre, deserve nyo rin, no, ang mahalin at magmahal dito. So, thank you so much. Sana ngayon, love and life. Annyeong.